Photoshop Portfolio Secret. Design your wall layout in 10 minutes. If you're first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. And if you have a question, let me know in the comments. So let's get started to the video. In this portfolio, I designed it in 7 pages. The first is cover page, profile, about me, education, experience, my skill, my artworks, contact for work, reference. For design, the first step we have to do is create a new document. To create a new document, we go to File, choose New. And for another way, we use shortcut Ctrl+N. There are the size I designed before, and we can see the full size in photo, print, art, illustration, web, mobile, film and video. I beg, but I want to make by my own size, so I customize it in preset detail. For the text I selected is the name of document. For here I choose centimeters, width I put 14, height 7. I design on artboard, so I tick on it. Resolution I put 300 pixel inch. Color mode RGB color 8-bit. Background content I put white. Color profile sRGB. Pixel aspect ratio I put 12 pixel and click on create. This is our artboard. Before design, we save it first. For save, we go to File, choose Save As, and choose the place you want to save, and you can rename it. Save As tab, we choose PSD, and click on Save. The first page is cover page. I rename on it. I add a solid color. I click on Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer, and choose solid color. I choose this color and OK. Next up, I add text. I use text tool. I put portfolio. I change font of it. I can change by click here or I click on here. If you don't see it like that, you can see it by go to Window and tick on Content Tool taskbar. Okay. So I change font. I use Oswald font and choose bold, and size I put 50, and I change color of it. I use this color and OK. And I add another text. I use Print Signature font, and for size I put 15. And I add one more text, and I change font. I use Oswald Extra Light. The size I put 10. Okay, finish for cover page. For next step is profile about me. Okay, I add a new artboard by click on artboard layer. We can add above, below, left and right. Okay, I add on right side. I rename on it. I add a solid color. I click on Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer and choose solid color and choose this color and OK. I add a rectangle by choose rectangle tool. Stroke I choose none. Fill I choose this color, so I click on here and click on it. Okay. For the rectangle, I must a picture to it, so I add a picture. Right click and create clipping mask. For this area, I add text. There are my name and about me. For the text, there are hello I am. I use Print Signature font and size I put 20. For my name, I put Oswald and the size 34. And I have about me, line and some text. And I have arrow doodle. For create it, just easy one. We use conventional pen tool. Fill we choose none, and stroke we choose the color we want. And for stroke option, I choose this and pen it. and we can change the size, and I put 3. And next step, I pen head of arrow. I use pen tool and click 1, click 2, click 3, and we change stroke option by choose this option. Okay, and finish for profile about me. And next step is education. I add below, I rename on it. For next step, I add a solid color, and I choose this color. Okay, and I add a rectangle. I use rectangle tool. Stroke I change to none, and fill I choose this color. Next step, I add text. Align it to center, and I add more text. I just example, and you can put the real one. And finish for education. For next is experience. I add right side. I add a solid color. The color I choose the same this page, and I add text. I have job experience. Rename and finish for experience. Next step, my skill. I add below of it. I move up and rename on it. I add a solid color. I choose the same display. I add a rectangle like that, so I no need to pen it again. I just copy it, click on it, Ctrl C to copy, and click to the place you want to paste, and Ctrl V to paste. I add text. I have my skill, some text, and some icon. Now finish for my skill. For next is my artwork. I put some of my artwork to this portfolio. I add the right side, rename on it. I add a solid color. I pick from this page. I put text over here. And I put some of my artwork over here. Okay, finish for another page. And for the last one is contact for work and reference. I add new page. I add a solid color. And I pick a color from this page. And I add text, my contact, my email, and some icon. Yes, I have contact for work, my contact, my email, my address, and some icon and reference. And I just example, and you can put the real one. And for this one, I pen it by use pen tool like I showed you before. And finish for my portfolio. For next step, I show you how to export all of them for one time. For export, the first we select all artwork, click on it, hold shift and click. Next step, right click and export as. And look to file setting. Format, I choose JPEG, and you can choose PNG or GIF. Quality, I put 6. All of them I don't change, and click on export. And choose the place you want to save, and add new folder, and put the name, and click select folder. Okay, finish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And if you have question, let me know in the comment. See you next video.